You can now set username in WhatsApp. Now we can share our username or passkey to chat with someone in WhatsApp. If you wish to not share your phone number with someone, you simply have to open your WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp settings. Then go to edit option on the top right. Tap on username. Tap on edit on the top right corner and tap on change username. So now you can set your own custom username. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. You can also add your own username key so that you can share the key with someone and chat on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Peace.